So very soon we'll be seeing the Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and the S22 Ultra, which is my favorite. But there has been some leaks, rumors, pricing, and some rumored specifications about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So without further ado, I have spoken too much. Let's start with what we have for today. So the expected price for the Galaxy S22 regular is going to be $899, the S22 Plus is going to be $1,099, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra would be $1,299. I would say you should take a pinch of salt in addition to listening to this news, as this is not certainly confirmed, but hopefully this should happen. And these are the prices for the baseline models. We have the Exynos 2200 chipset, which has been announced. Now, this is a much expected and anticipated chipset because this is a chipset that came with a partnership with AMD for GPU stuff. Now, the Exynos 2200 is expected to come with the Eclipse GPU for graphical performance on most of the Galaxy devices that will be coming out this year. Hopefully the Exynos variant that would be shipped to this part of the world would or might probably come with the Exynos 2200 chipset, which is paired with the Eclipse GPU from AMD. Now, we know that AMD does so well in terms of providing us with the graphical stuff when it comes to graphical performance. AMD does quite well. I mean, there is a competitor, which is Nvidia, but AMD holds quite a very reasonable share in making very good graphical stuff. So we should look out for something more improved from the Exynos 2200. And there are some rumors saying that the Exynos 2200 beats the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in a way, but all these are speculations, so please take this with a grain of salt and make sure to, do some little research in addition to confirm these suspicions. But anyways, we are still going to have to wait till February 8th. And yes, the Unpacked event is announced to come on the 8th of February 2022, which is kind of 2 weeks away from when I upload this video. And so do stay tuned for that as well. I'm DELPPY, and if you enjoyed this, leave a like on the video. If you're on Instagram, leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you think about the upcoming event, and I'll catch you in another one. Stay safe. Peace out.